Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the 4th of June 2024. See what's happening in the market today. We had news as well, 2:30 and 2:45. Sorry, 2:45 and 3 p.m. tomorrow. Let's see what's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow we have 3 p.m. have your back news, George job openings, and we'll see how the market moves. Before that, obviously, 1 p.m. New York opening time and 2:30 New York Stock Exchange opens. Uh, and 8 a.m. is the UK market opens, right? Also, let's go on to the chart, see how was the movement. Today, let's see how the market moved. Let me remove all these unnecessary lines. As you can see that I said yesterday the market is likely to go to the upside from here, and you can see the market need to go up. So if you take a trade here, if you took a trade here, then to this next level, you definitely made some pips, and then you break even it. And even you take a trade here, and that's what I said. If its market comes back, the best trade will be from here. So it went up to the ups, and when market reversed, if you broke even it, then you had some profit. And then market went down further. Let's see in 4-hour chart. Market touched this level and took the liquidity from here. So, and 1 hour you can see rejection candle with a liquidity sweep. So that was a buy. Let me remove this line now. That was the Asian low and this Asian high. And this is London low, London high. And you can see the market moved, broke all these levels, and market is become bullish then. So this is a 15-minute chart and 15-minute. Let me remove all these lines now. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I came down the upside. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a fifth wave here. So market already become bullish. So on here we took a trade. Also, that was a trade as well. Here as 1 hour helps us as well. Go to 4 hour, you have more evidence. So currently, if the market, if we have good, this level is very important. If in 4 hours the market goes to the side, that this breakup structure will happen, and we'll have a No, then we'll have a bullish scenario in 4 hour as well. And 1 hour, 15 minutes are already bullish, and then 1 hour is become. Let's see what happened to the 1 hour. And 1 hour become bullish as well. Right. And daily, you can see what's happening in daily market going to the upside. So tomorrow, the possible, because market left some fair value gaps, so we may see some, as you can see, in 4 hour and 1 hour. So, not even 2 hour, yeah, 3 hour and 4 hour. Not in 3 hour. Yeah, in 3 hour there's a gap as well. This is the level here, so possibly we see some sort of rejection from here. Let's see market making this line, maybe come to this level. However, if this level is broken here, top level here, then we may see bullish in 4H as well. So that's it for now, guys. I hope it made some sense and you had benefited from it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.